I would like to show you some of the crafts I'll be making in upcoming videos. I've done a video about using corks and as a keychain. I just wanted to show you this one that's painted. Corks for Christmas ornaments, bottles and jars. This jar, all I did was rolled some paint and ink inside. And you can just, for simple decoration, use bowls on your Christmas tree. It's so pretty. A combination of different colors. This is simply from a crossword puzzle book. Instead of throwing it out, I got it from the dollar store. Actually, my mom got it for me, so I have to thank my mom again. And I just made a simple ornament, taking some of those dollar store glass gems and making an ornament. Doing crafts with yarn. This is a cork similar to this cork, where I just sort of took some hot glue and scrolled some glue on it, and then just tied yarn balls on both ends. A little fabric floret with a button in the middle, and just a little cork craft, which is an ornament that looks like a wreath. So these are simple crafts, and I just want to show you one other thing. I uploaded a video about paper cones, so I would like to just show you how it looks once you decorate it. So this paper cone craft I did in a different video, and I just wanted to show how you can simply decorate it. This is a door I showed you a moment ago that came off a cabinet, and now I just use it in some of my videos to hang different things. It's a simple way to display items. So you can surround the paper cones with these simple jars. Everything I'm doing pretty much is designed to be recycled, reused, and repurposed. So jars, I put some jute around it. You saw the jar that I just swirled some paint and ink inside. You could do it with nail polish. You could do it with any type of ink or dye that you have. Food coloring would be easy because then you could just keep rinsing it out. There are so many ways you can decorate without spending a lot of money. So I just want to give you some more. I use flameless candles. These aren't regular candles, so I use flameless candles with the paper flowers that I created in a different video. I hope you guys can check that out. So you can use flameless candles. You can use Christmas lights, which I'll show you in a few moments. And I love, if you can find these old-fashioned Christmas lights, pick them up. They're sometimes hard to find, but they just fill the room with light and color, and I think it's so beautiful. So everything I'm doing pretty much recycle, reuse, repurpose. That cone Christmas tree is made out of coffee filters. You can find it in white. Sometimes they may have other colors. If you don't have coffee filters, you can use tissue paper. There are so many things you can do if you recycle, reuse, and repurpose. So I hope you continue to watch these videos, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.